In this video, we're going to discuss about the basic structure of HTML. As a developer, every HTML document we created or load in the browser is derived from this basic format of HTML. So we can think of this as a template, and following this template will help us to ensure that the page we are going to display is displayed as we intended. And also it doesn't mean that what should be displayed in the browser, but also it includes the relevant information that tells the browser how to display the page. So we can break down this template in three main parts. The talk type that specifies the document type of the HTML, and also we have the head that contains the meta information of our web page, like the title, the link of our CSS style, the script, and many more. And we have the body that displays the actual content to the visitor. So what if I don't use this template and write down my own intended line of code? For example, h1, and here is the heading one, and save that. Let's open this in the browser. So notice that the heading one is displayed as it is displayed with the template. Now let's inspect this page inside the developer tools. Notice that the browser implicitly redefined our HTML document and added the necessary HTML template, like the HTML, the head, and the body. So it doesn't mean that cutting off some parts of HTML template won't display our page correctly. Cutting off some parts of the HTML template, or accidentally we miss some part of the HTML template, doesn't work or breaks down the page. It works correctly, but this is not a guaranteed behavior because older browsers are unpredictable, and maybe it won't work, and we don't know which browser will be used by our visitors to visit our website. So it is a good practice to include all the basic parts of the HTML template, and we shouldn't rely on the guesswork of the browser, and it will display our page correctly and as we intended.